Hello student, welcome to the course of Information and Network Security. As we know that networking plays a major role, if networking plays a major role, then information and network security also plays a major role. All our data, all our transaction happens on the network. So we need to protect our network from the unauthorized access. As we know that information is a new wealth. Okay, it is a new money. You need to protect this from the unauthorized access. So how in this computer system, how you are going to achieve this? What are the protocols? What are the algorithms? What are the methods, mechanism? Every detail related to information and network security we will study in this course. So let's get started with the basic. First is the definition. What is the information security and what is the network security? What do you understand by the information security? Information security means you are going to protect the information from the unauthorized access. You are going to protect the information. You are going to protect the information system from the unauthorized access, modification, recording, destruction, and everything. So you are going to protect your information and the information system in the information security. What is network security? The data from the information system is passed to another system via the network. So over here, it consists of the collection of tools which are designed to protect data during the transmission. In network security, you are going to protect your data during the transmission. Okay? And in the information system, you are going to protect it from the unauthorized access. It deals with the confidentiality, integrity. What are the meaning of all these terms? We'll study in the further part. I hope you understood what is the information security and what is the network security. Information security means protecting the information from unauthorized access. One who is not going to have the authorization to use that. That is unauthorized access. And in the network security, you are going to protect data during the transmission. Next important term we will study is the threat and attack. Okay, threat and attack. Threat is some kind of possible danger that may exploit a vulnerability. Okay, some kind of possible danger that occurs. A potential for violation of security which exists when there is a circumstances, capability, action or event that could breach the security and cause the harm. Okay, so basic example, at home you can see the threat at a home can be some kind of robber will enter and they will take away the wealth. So that is a threat. Okay, so if no one is at home, this possible situation can occur. So that is a threat to our home. If we are walking on the road, there will be a threat that it will be hit by a vehicle. Okay, that is very pessimistic approach of teaching, but that is a threat to the system. Okay, and what is the attack? Attack is the assault on the system security that derive from the intelligent threat. You are going to actually take a threat, you are going to exploit it, and then you are going to make the system vulnerable. Okay, you are going to actually make some deliberate attempt to break the security service and you are going to violate the security policy of a system. That is an attack. If robber is actually coming, okay, and taking away all this stuff, that is an attack. Okay, and he might come, that is a threat. Okay, so threat is the possible danger. In short, you can say that threat is a possible danger and attack is the some kind of deliberate attempt, some kind of purposeness to break down the security, to violate the security, to cause the harm. That is a attack. Okay, I hope you understood about threat and the attack. Next is the OSI security architecture. It was developed in the context of the OSI protocol architecture, and it is used to properly manage your system. It provides you with the systematic approach, and this OSI security architecture is basically about the security attack, about the security mechanism, and the security service. So the benefit of this is to provide the security architecture is to provide security, to organize the task, and to meet the international standards. So one by one we'll study what is the security attack and what is the security mechanism. What is the security attack? Attack means any kind of action. So action that compromise the security of a security of information owned by an organization. You are means an intruder is going to perform any action that will break down the security of the organization. Like there can be some denial of service attack. They will inject with the malware, all kind of phishing. All these are the action which is going to compromise the security of the information system. That is the security attack. Okay, any action, all these are the action which is going to compromise the security of the system or the organization. That is a security attack. What do you understand by security attack? An action that is going to compromise means any action that is going to break down the security of the information owned by an organization. Okay, some website is there. What will be security attack? The hacker is going to hack those website and making the unnecessary deliberate changes. All these are the security attacks. There are various kind of security attacks, and for protecting from these various kind, there are various approaches that we will study in a further lectures. So this is about the security attack. Next is the security mechanism. Okay, once the attack is going to happen, you need to protect it. Or before the attack is going to happen, you need to prevent it. So what is security mechanism? Security mechanism, it is a process that is designed to detect, prevent, or recover from the security attack. Okay, so it is a process that is designed means over here it is a process. It can be a program, it can be a device or anything that has been designed in such a way that it is going to detect, prevent, and recover from the security attack. So if you want prevention, there will be some different approach. If you are going to recover, there will be different approach. So that is all about security mechanism. A security mechanism is nothing but a process, means it can be a program, it can be device that is designed to detect, prevent, and recover from the security attack. Next is the security services, a processing or a communication service that enhance the security of the data processing system and the information transfer of an organization. It is intended to counter security attack. Okay, to counter the security attack, you are going to use the security services. And what do you understand by security services? You are going to take one or more security mechanism. You are going. There are various security mechanism. You will not implement every security mechanism in your organization. Depending upon the threat to your organization, you will select the security mechanism and you will implement it. So that is a security service for your system, for your organization. Getting, we are going to do the enhancement of the security for an organization. So a OSI security architecture consists of security attack, security mechanism, and security service. Security attack means any kind of attack that can happen to the organization. Security mechanism means which are the various ways through which you are going to protect it. You are going to protect from the various kind of attacks. And security services means in the organization, if some kind of attack can happen, which security mechanism you are going to choose and you are going to implement in your system is the security service. I hope that in this lecture you understood about basic about what is information security, what is network security, what is threat, what is attack, and what are the OSI security architecture. These basic terms, what are the threats, what are the attacks, it is very important because in further lectures we are going to use that term again and again. And which are the security attacks which happens in your system, which are the security mechanism which is available, and depending upon your organization need, which are the security services that you will implement. All these are very important. It plays a very important role, major role in achieving security in your system, in your organization. So I hope that you understood the basic thing about the information and the network security. Thank you for watching my lecture. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.